So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel, guys, so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section, and also subscribe to the membership program, guys. We are currently running the YouTube membership program. So if you don't want to miss out on quality updates, you want to also trade with us, you want to go live with us, you want to get some good setups, all will be covered in the membership, YouTube membership. So subscribe. Now back to our analysis on GBPJPY. These are the 2 rules of trading we are going to be following, right? The first rule of trading, you need to know what the trend is. Second rule of trading, you need to trade with the trend. Now, if you take a look at this, our GBPJPY, it is very clear that we are in an uptrend move. Guess what? Market is in an uptrend move. So this is one of the reasons why for swing traders, this is going to be a perfect opportunity for you. This is going to be a perfect setup, especially if you tend to hold your position for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Good opportunity for you to go in for the buy right now. But for now, market drop. It came back to retest it. Then we had another drop, right? Market eventually came back again to retest the same level. And then this is a drop the market did give us. Market eventually push up right here. Then it pull back. So with this pullback, we should be expecting market to push up again. So it is able to form a new high, thereby taking out this high. So guys, a new higher high is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. More update on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you not to miss out on the updates. Like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.